but it's donking damn, it's very, very low.
When I get home, I'll get him to ring you on my phone. Yeah, okay.
There goes Emma.
Yep, I will. I'll let you know. Yep.
Wow.
Okay, mate. Bye.
This is supposed to be underwater, this jetty, but it's not. I wouldn't jetty jump, wouldn't recommend it. There's Emma having a swim. Yeah, Patches having their pellet food. They've got hay as well. Patches is 3 months old and doing very, very well. He has to eat in a tyre because he's naughty with his buckets, as you can see. He's shaping up to be quite a nice young fellow after all he's been through. He's learning to lunge at the moment. And do some other things. Mr. Callisto Caddo. Cheeky boy. Certainly got character. Curiosity, kill the cat or wet it, Layla? She's not sure. This is Blinky. I called her Blinky because she had an eye injury that we've been treating. It's getting a lot better now. She'll hopefully start to put on weight as well, like the others. The others came, they were full of worms and mites, and we've treated all that and they're all putting on weight, so hopefully she'll join them soon. Once the infection's all cleared up, it's 90% gone now.